Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I make Thai yellow curry paste. This is very easy recipe. So let's start. These are shallots. Here I have taken 3 shallots. This is galangal, means Thai ginger. I already chopped. 4 to 5 garlic cloves, some lemongrass, some Thai basil leaves. This is kaffir lime leaves, means Thai lime leaves. Some Thai red chili, some spicy dry red chili. I soaked it in water for 10 minutes. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon paprika. Here I am taking a blending jar and adding first onion or shallot, garlic, galangal, Thai ginger, lemongrass, little bit water, not too much. Now I will blend them. Okay, now I am adding soaked dry red chili. I am making the paste in 3 batches. Thai red chili, Thai lemon leaves and Thai basil leaves. We don't need to add water. Now I am adding coriander powder, cumin powder. Almost done. This is the last batch. Paprika and turmeric powder. Add little more water. Okay, our paste is ready. As you can see, Thai yellow curry paste is ready. You can keep it in the freezer for long time, and you can use this yellow curry paste for Thai yellow vegetable curry, fish curry or chicken curry. Try to make it and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.